Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. Mailchimp is a powerful platform designed to help businesses of all sizes connect with their audience effectively. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your contacts, designing engaging email content, and analyzing your campaign performance. You can even begin your journey with their free plan, which supports up to 500 contacts, making it accessible for new ventures. Let's dive into the essentials. Building a strong audience is fundamental to successful email marketing. Mailchimp allows you to easily import your existing contacts or create customizable sign-up forms to attract new subscribers. Once your audience is in place, you can segment them based on various criteria like demographics, interests, or past engagement. This targeted approach is incredibly effective. Personalized segments can boost your email open rates by as much as 14%, ensuring your messages reach the right people. Now, let's talk about crafting emails that truly resonate. Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes designing professional and visually appealing emails straightforward, even without design experience. You can select from hundreds of pre-designed templates, tailored for various purposes, saving you valuable time. To maximize your impact, consider /B testing different subject lines or content variations. This simple technique can significantly optimize your campaign performance, leading to better engagement and results. Finally, understanding your campaign's performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics, allowing you to monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes. These insights are invaluable for refining your content and targeting strategies for future campaigns. The platform's automated reports offer a clear, comprehensive overview of your marketing efforts, helping you make data-driven decisions to achieve even greater success with your email marketing endeavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.